Where are we at?
LA County Fair.
The LA County Fair.
No,
Bro. You take the L. Take the L. Titus. Huh? What's up? Where are we in right now?
I'm Mercedes-Benz.
We're in a Mercedes-Benz. Alex, what's up?
Hey,
we're all in one car. Hold this camera.
Hey.
Yeah, you knew, man.
Get the camera.
Mom, we have the camera.
Oh, Mom, don't care.
All right. I got my bag. Next to. All right. Look, get on this. Get a focus on that. Q60, dude. Q60. Hop in.
Oh my goodness.
Yes, bro.
They didn't take off the thing. You can change the stick at any time. No, do not do it.
Why?
Bomb!
They forgot to put away the thing, so it's
Alright, let's try to change the.
Wait, change to 92.3, man. The heat, there it is. That's you're on serious. You're on serious. Stay on heat.
Oh, now we're just bumping. Seriously? Seriously?
Thing on full blast.
Seriously? No.
Huh?
No.
What do you mean? Oh no, it doesn't. I don't think it does.
Push it even more.
I don't know how to even get to that.
Sounds good.
It does. All right, now let's go to my favorite station.
Bro, pull that thing full blast.
No, not.
Oh my god.
All right, we're about to do Taylor Swift radio. That's what we're about to do.
Put on backspin.
Backspin. Christian rock?
Yeah?
No, we're not doing Christian rock. What do I look like?
You pass it.
No, we're doing this. Dun dun dun. Dun, 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 dun. And I really wanna know. I really wanna say Okay. Okay?
So,
Hold the camera steady. Don't, if you drop it, I kill everybody.
So, like, where do I
Just hold the, it's already recording. Just hold the camera steady. Mannequin, go. Everybody's wondering why you're standing still over here. If you don't get in your mannequin position right now, hand on the wheel, you look, just show your radio. Just have your hand on the radio. All right, now, mannequin challenge, you ready? Get out of frame. You can even see the smirk on his face. Look at it. How do you lose control so easy?
Yo, dude, like, what you doing?
It's not the 70s. It died. It's died. It's died. Get in the light. Get in the light. Yeah, get in the spotlight right here. Just get in the spotlight.
Wait.
Oh, dude, you're like an epic commercial. You're like the most epic commercial.
Combing his hair at an auto show.
Why are you? Who does that still? Let's go. All right, what's your opinion on this whole car event thing?
It was cool.
It was cool. Okay, what's your favorite car? Brand.
BMW.
I really don't like BMW. I like Audi and I like Ferrari. I don't really like BMW. But who cares about my opinion? What else do you think about the show?
It was like very cool seeing all these different cars.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay. Very expressive. Very detailed. I was looking for a detailed account of the whole experience, but I guess you're not, right?
What?
I guess not. I want a detailed, like, I thought you were gonna speak all technical. Like, I thought you knew all this. I thought you were gonna speak super technical. Be like, I like the V8 4 engine plus, and I like the brakes, the Rhino brakes that stop in 0.5 seconds.